Hi, welcome back to the Daily Brief with Damaraka. If you are watching the first time, this is Damaraka Polisetty and I am from India. I will cover the major three sectors in this news. First one is AI and future, and second one is gadgets, and third one is the entertainment. Let's get into the news. Coming to our first topic, it's from AI. Friends, now we got the new feature in OpenAI. If they didn't check once. The agent name is the operator. Finally, OpenAI released a autonomous agent, not like a chatbot that just gives you a text. It takes your browser completely and complete the task such as book the movie tickets or book the flight tickets by using your credit card and write and execute the code. And believe what, now OpenAI will do more research if anyone is using operator, but companies like Anthropic and Google have teased similar tech and launched before. But coming to OpenAI, this version is more reportedly and more reliable. So friends, will you comfortable and trust AI to use your credit card to book your flight ticket or movie ticket? Let me know in the comment section. And coming to our second topic, it's from China. Guess what? Now China released a $16,000 just humanoid robot. Now China is winning a humanoid prize war. The company called Unitree have launched a G1 and launched a G1 humanoid robot. And guess what? The price is, it's not $40k or $60k dollars. It's not even like $20k dollars. It's just around $16,000. And guess what? The China already started the mass production on this. And most Western competitors have 3 to 4 times higher than this price. The G1 is not just a prototype. It's features a 360 degrees joint flexibility and to learning to physical tasks. While the world is watching Tesla's Optimus, China is already flooding with the affordable prices, capable hardware that could save labor shortages in the factories and warehouses globally, and even it will help you to do the daily routine. So the comment of the day is, will you keep this much of money, $16,000, to do your daily routine works? Let me know in the comment section. Coming to gadgets, we got this news earlier in 2025 December, but now it's came to the address again. It's from the Samsung. Samsung has finally challenged UI in the right fold segment. Internal reports are confirmed Samsung first jet right fold has moved to the mass production. When you unfold a device, it will give you a 11-inch screen. That means the phone is become a tablet. Unlike the other prototypes, this Samsung Jet Trifold will give you AI power, multitasking, and guess what? It will allow to use 3 full side-by-side apps. But guess the price? It will be around like $2,000 to $2,500. So will you keep $2,500 to buy this Trifold, or you will use Jet Fold? It costs like around $1,200 to $1,300. Coming to our second topic on gadgets, it's from the GoPro. Yes, GoPro was once king of action camera, but now company is facing difficult positions. According to the TechCrunch, GoPro is exploring other options like defense and aerospace. Even the company hired a investment banker Orion Loki to evaluate this strategic option, including a possible safe. Because of company, the sales are going down and the losses are rising, and even it's announced a cut the workforce. But the interesting part is, GoPro is not anymore a consumer gadgets product anymore. Now it's looking alternate opportunities like to go to the defense, aerospace, and the luxury camera. So what do you think about this? Is GoPro entering into the defense? Is a smart move? What you think about it? Let me know in the comment section. Coming to the entertainment, as we talked in earlier episodes, the Cannes Festival 2026, it was happening in the France, is showing a clear shift in the global cinema. Multiple reports are saying Hollywood presence is weaker this year compared to a previous editor. Le Monde reports that American films are present in the official selection, but the bigger excitement is around the international films, international filmmakers, French cinemas, and global art house. Movies are grabbing the attention. Even AP News also reported this. But the Hollywood is still the powerful industry, but the audience are prefer more global cinemas. What you think about it? Did Hollywood will affect on coming years? What's your opinion? Let me know in the comment section. And coming to our second topic, it's from the YouTube. Yes, it's from the YouTube, and it's from the YouTube. According to the TechCrunch reports, most people think Shorts is a mobile-only format, but according to the reports, viewers are watching 2 billion hours of YouTube Shorts. Is not from the mobile, it's from the TV. But first, it sounds weird to watch vertical videos on TV, but now audiences are clearly changing. That means TV entertainment is it's not longer a movie or a web series or even a sport. But now TV screens are not only those 3 categories, and now it's shorts, creator, and podcast, and a long form video content. Yes, that's all for today. I will meet you tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Signing off, Damaraka Polisetty.